At Axiom, our mission is to create thriving workspaces for our clients and their people. As part of a talented and close-knit design team, you'll collaborate and problem-solve to create construction documentation for unique workspaces that balance the wow factor with commercial reality. A skilled CAD drafter, you'll play an important role in bringing ideas to life by working closely with interior designers and Axiom's technical team. To excel in this role, you'll know how to manage competing priorities and deadlines, have impeccable communication skills, together with the ability to build and maintain effective working relationships with all stakeholders. You'll know how to manage time effectively, be adept at working independently, and be responsive to the changing needs of projects and the business. If you're looking to work for an organisation that values your skill and creativity, then talk to MetaPeople today about this outstanding career opportunity.